Parrot, wanna pick where to go next?
Honestly, I don't know. Maybe we should take a break? You know what? Never mind.
So, where do you wanna go?
McDonald's, I guess. I don't really mind.
Okay, let's go.
Spoke, what the fuck? This isn't a McDonald's.
I know. McDonald's is a little boring. So why not go to an abandoned place? Parrot, watch out!
Spoke, when and why do you have a gun? Also, what the fuck was that?
I've always had a gun, not now. Also, we should probably leave the body here.
What did Spoke even shoot? I should check it out. I'll be back.
Okay, bye!